Hello everyone, my name is Juliet Abraham, Head of Business Operations, WhiteLines Technologies. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. I know it is a difficult time for everyone, but I'm here to encourage you. Don't let this lockdown affect your learning and don't let it stop your career growth. But I would suggest that you utilize this time to upskill and upgrade your technical knowledge. Keeping in mind the current situation and understanding your need, we at WhiteLines are proud to announce the launch of our online classes. And the courses that we offer are for automation, embedded systems, IoT, PCB designing, and oil and gas engineering. Why choose WhiteLines? Because we provide individually focused one-on-one training, practical sessions displayed through web, task-oriented training with assignments, on-time doubt clearing, and practical sessions scheduled as per government guidelines. So what are you waiting for? Go register yourself today itself, and for more details, log on to www.wlai.in, or else you can get in touch with our core experts on the numbers given below. Stay safe and keep learning.